surprise! We're back out for one last run. I know in my last videos I probably said that was the last bit of the year, but this is truly the last one of the year. It is almost the end of October. It is freezing cold up here, but it's supposed to get up to, you know, somewhat decent temperatures. Light winds today. I have the Sea-Doo booked in for its winterization this week, so this is literally the last ride we're doing. So I wanted to get one more for you guys because I appreciate you for all of the support you've been giving me over the summer. And like I said, we got new stuff coming up. Well, not for a while because winter's here, but I'm working on some cool things for next year, so some trips and things like that. So let's just enjoy this last fall ride. Today we're up on Lake Muskoka, you know, in the rich place. So we're going to try and just explore this lake a bit. Should have it to ourselves because what other idiots are out on the water this late in the season. And just enjoy this literally last run of the year. So I hope you come along with us. Enjoy these fall colors up here. Again, I can't thank you guys enough for all the subscriptions, all the likes, all the comments. It's really meant a lot to me. I really do appreciate it. And like I said, I hope to bring you guys even more stuff next year and some new stuff next year. So let's get exploring here and see what we're going to be doing, okay? Check it. For a while now. As you can see, I've got my goggles on. Game changer. I just discovered this, sad to say. But we've been traveling for about maybe almost an hour up the Lake Muskoka, and our goal is to get as far up the lake as we can get. We're near the end of it. We're just taking a quick little, you can either go that way or you can go that way. So just trying to figure out which way to go. Anyways, that's about all I got for this update. See you in a bit. All these, keep running into these railway bridges. All right, well, found this little back channel out here, so just exploring it. It's like there's a door with a, that first step is brutal. Wow, look at this. Alright guys, well, we've made it all the way up to Bala. This is the dock here to get you into downtown. So this is one of the more famous northern places to catch a concert called Bala. That's up here. I've seen a couple shows up here, so I'm just going to go over here. This is pretty much the end of as far as we can go. If you look down there, there's a dam there that will keep you. That's a good. Like I said, I'm gonna stop guessing at how many feet it drops, but it drops down. So this is about as far as we can get on Lake Muskoka. So now we're just gonna. What is he doing? Oh, this is funny. Let's see. Does he fall? No, he made it. Great. That was entertaining. Anyways, this is as far as we can get on Lake Muskoka. So we're just gonna stop here for a second. Then head out and maybe do some fishing, and then slowly make our way back. So see you in a bit. There he is in his natural habitat. Oh, he waved! Yes! Listen, dreams do come true. And if this is mine, that's kind of sad, so I don't know.